Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to remove duplicates elements from an array in Java. So you can see in this array there are many duplicate items are available, for example 3, 3, 2 times 5, 5, etc. So how to remove it, okay? So we are going to learn. So there are several ways to do it. Some people think about using for loop or other thing else, but they don't give the optimal solution. So that is the reason we are going to use something called hash maps, okay? Just to know that I am using import java.util star so that it automatically import all the inbuilt functions or library that I'm going to use. So basically at the end of this function what I'm getting is array as output. So I'm going to use array list, okay, because I'm getting output as a array. So array list and its data is integer type. Let's say the function name is solution and we giving the input parameter is array, okay. Now what we have to do is first we define a array list inside it, array list, and its name is answer and new array list. After that what we are going to do is we are going to use hash map integer map equal to new hash map. Now we are going to use for loop point I equal to 0, I less than 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. So what I'm going to do is if my map contains the array value, okay, if my map doesn't contains the array value, then it will put in my array list as well as in hash map, okay. So let's see how to write this. So if map does not contains key array I, then only then it will add in my array list and also in map dot put array I. You can use integer or boolean as well. It's up to you what you want to use, but both gives the same result, so don't you have to worry about. So return what I want to return. I want to return my array list. Let's run this code system dot out dot print. What I want to print it's solution, or what's the function name? Solution and input parameter is array. So if I run this code, you can see all the duplicate element is removed. Now main question, so how does this code work? Why some people it is like I don't know what I have done. So let's try to understand how does this code work. So let's see how does this code work. So if I okay, so I know that my input parameter is 1 comma 3 comma 3 comma 5 comma 5 comma is 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 8 comma 7 comma 9 comma 10. So let's see how does this how I have solved this problem, okay. So basically what I've done is I have created a array list, okay. Its name is answer. Currently it doesn't contain anything, and I also create a hash map. It contains two data type. One is integer, another is also integer. Now what basically I've done is I'm running my for loop, okay. Remember it is running just once time, so its complexity is O big of n, nothing else. So that is the best part about this. So what I'm saying that, hey, if map doesn't contains key array I, then it will do these operations, okay. So suppose my first element goes 1, If is my map contains 1, the answer is the answer is no. My map doesn't contains 1, so it means I can go inside it. So map. So I will put 1 arith ith and integer 1. Okay. After that I will go to second. Okay. And just to know that I will also add this in answer I. I will also add this in answer I. So it will one also will go there. Now when I will go to the second one, that is 3. Is 3 in my map? No. So I will add 3 1. Remember I have two data types, integer. That is the reason I have two, array ith and 1 1. Now I will also add 3 here. Now after that, here is an interesting one. Now when 3 comes again, is my map contains 3? Yes, it contains 3. So it will, so this thing will not run. It will go back. Okay. Now it will go to the 5. Is my map contains 5? No. So enter the 5, 1, and it will also add in 5. Similarly, this process goes on, and at the end of it, we will get our array list, and if we return to this part. Okay, so it's a quite simple thing. Let's try to understand again what basically uh, I mean. So basically, we create a map. Let's try to understand. Basically, we create a map. Okay, and in map we are storing the values. Map only will store values if and only if the value is not in the map. If the value is already present in the map, then it will not store the value. It will only store if the value is not in the map. And it will also help array list to identify, hey, this value is not in it, so you also need to add it. Just to know that in array list you need to use add, and in hash map you need to use put to insert the values. So make sure that you remember these things. Okay, so that's for all. If you have any kind of doubt inquiry, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.